What do we have here? The Artisan Apache. Maybe it's supposed to be Native American themed, like some kind of tomahawk for chopping stuff. Maybe you can scalp people with it. Yeah, I know that's super un-PC. I don't no idea if the Apaches ever scalped anyone. I just watch, the same cowboy movies everyone else did as a kid. Really nice action on it. It has a little bit of a double clutch, but it just doesn't matter because it's got such a nice beefy blade. You just flick it down and it goes down anyway. It doesn't ever, like some knives will double clutch, then that means they'll stop here at this detent after you unlock it. So you unlock it, it stops at the detent, and then as you try to flip it down, sometimes it'll lock back up, and that's annoying as heck. This one doesn't do that, so that even if you only let it down a little bit and it stops on that detent, you can just flick it down because the weight of the blade is way stronger than the detent. And also, when you're unlocking it, you can let it easily get past that detent, and now there's no double clutch, there's no detent to worry about at all, because if you just put your thumb in like a normal place and then press in on the lock and let it down, the flipper stops on your thumb and you're past the detent. So that double clutching only really happens if you press it quick and then let it go before it gets down on your thumb. But again, it's irrelevant. Pocket clip works great, even though it has those little the screws that hold it are raised up. They don't really matter much because they're not raised up even as high as the G10 insert, so they don't get in the way of anything. Great clip. It's got a glass breaker. A lot of people don't like glass breakers. I don't love them either, but it looks to be completely removable. If you look down inside there, it's just screwed in. So I think you just stick an Allen wrench through the hole, untwist it, it comes right off. The fuller is great. You can reverse flick the fuller, opens right up. Blade's nice and centered. It's got aluminum. Well, I'm not sure if, yeah, these would be the scales, and these would be the inserts, and then under the scales, you got the liner, which is steel, stainless steel. So it's a liner lock under aluminum scales. And I'm assuming this back spacer is aluminum too. Matches nicely. Kind of an interesting little thing they did here. They let the steel inserts come up past the aluminum right here for a little jimping right by the blade, and then the other thing that does is it lets them put the stop pin way up here very high, which is a good thing. You want the stop pin up high so it has a good leverage point against that pivot. You don't want it right down next to the pivot to where you don't have a lot of good leverage there. The lockup is good, about 30%. Very nice. I like it. It's a nice knife. Blade's about 3.5 inches long. D2 steel. Made in China, obviously. Artisan stuff is. Good sharp edge on it. Came very slicey sharp. No problem there. I think they run around 65-ish, something like that. Yeah. It's a good knife. I like it. Oh, clip is reversible. It's got a little plate there that you can take out and put the clip on this side and put that plate back on the other side. Yeah, I'd say it's well made. Nice piece. Not too heavy. Good balance point. Anyway, there's your Artisan Apache. Have a nice day.